If you've ever spent hours trying to add sound effects, music, and voiceovers to your AI-generated videos, you know the pain. Silent videos, endless editing, audio that never syncs right. Kling 2.6. Audio just fixed all of that. Native audio, voices, lip sync, sound effects, generated automatically with your video. Let me show you exactly how this works. And stick around because I'm giving away 5 ultimate accounts at the end. Here's how simple it is. Go to higgsfield.ai/kling-2.6-audio. Link is in the description. Log into your account, go to Create Video, and in the model selector, choose Kling 2.6 Audio. That's it. If you have a reference image, upload it here. This is their image to video feature, or you can just start with text, totally up to you. Here's where the magic happens. You describe both the visual and the audio in your prompt using natural language. Choose your duration, 5 or 10 seconds. Pick your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram. Hit generate, and you get cinematic video with synchronized audio. Done.
Sometimes you just need to escape.
But you're probably thinking, okay, it makes audio, but is it actually good? Let me show you what makes this different. First, flawless native lip syncing.
Sometimes you just need to escape.
You know how AI avatars usually look weird? The mouth never quite matches the words. Kling 2.6 Audio changed that completely. The character's mouth movements match the spoken words precisely. But what good is perfect lip sync if the voice sounds robotic? That's where expressive voice generation comes in. The AI captures nuances in emotion, tone, and delivery. It can even handle specific accents and dialect. The voices sound human. Okay, so the voice is great, but what about everything else you hear in a video?
Sometimes you just need to escape.
That's the intelligent environmental audio. Hear those waves? That rain? The birds? The model automatically generates environmental sounds that match your scene. It understands that waves look like waves and sound like waves. And here's what ties it all together. Unified audio-visual storytelling. The lighting, motion, and sound all tell the same story. No weird audio hallucinations or mismatched sounds. It's like having a full production team inside one AI model, but it gets even better. Dynamic motion audio means as the subject moves, the sound creates a spatial experience. The audio follows the action. Now let's talk visuals. Full 1080p quality. Sharper faces, perfect skin texture, and fine detail realism. Every frame looks cinematic, and the motion itself, better motion fidelity means multi-object scenes look cleaner, camera paths are smoother, less AI jitter, more professional output. But what if you don't want audio? Maybe you have your own sound design? Optional silent output lets you turn audio off completely. You're in complete control. Plus, they've got over 20 pre-optimized presets ready to go. Want viral TikTok style? Preset, commercial video, preset, cinematic action, preset. So who is this actually for? ASMR creators. Every crinkle, every pop, perfectly synchronized. No Foley artist needed. But it's not just for niche content. Marketers and businesses create ready-to-publish ads with professional voiceovers. No studio, no voice actors, no editing. And if you're doing anything cinematic, filmmakers. The motion feels grounded and smooth. Dynamic motion with spatial audio. Hollywood-level quality for a fraction of the cost. Or maybe you just want to scale your face. Content creators. Generate talking avatars with flawless lip sync for social media. Scale your content without being on camera 24/7. And get this, Higgsfield already has over 11 million users. This isn't some beta experiment. This is production-ready AI. Now, here's something exclusive for Tech World viewers. Higgsfield is giving us 5 Ultimate Plan accounts to give away, completely free. That's the full Ultimate Plan with unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations. To enter, drop a comment below telling me what you'd create with unlimited AI video generation. I'll pick 5 winners and announce them in next week's video. But even if you don't win, Higgsfield has some of the most competitive pricing in the entire AI video space. Let me show you what I mean. Let me break down how Higgsfield stacks up against the competition. Look at the cost per video. Free Pick charges 48 cents per Kling 2.6 generation. Artlist, $1.52. In video, $2.45 per video. Higgsfield, just 29 cents per video. The best value in the entire AI video space. And right now with their Cyber Week deal, you get the $35 monthly plan at 70% off. But here's the real kicker. Those other platforms, they give you video only. Audio is a separate problem. With Higgsfield, the audio is built in. You're not just saving money per video, you're saving hours of post-production every single time. Look, I've tested a lot of AI video tools on this channel, but this is the first one that actually feels like a complete solution. No more piecing together video, audio, and voiceovers from different tools. It's all in one place. If you've been waiting for AI video to become truly usable for real content creation, this is that moment. If you want to see which browser extension actually saves you money, check out my other video. I tested Coopert versus Honey. Only one saved me money. Hey, it's on your screen right now. And if you enjoy real tests like this, hit that subscribe button. I post AI tool reviews every week. See you in the next one.